Hello, I'm Brynne Franklin, and I was born on January 17, 1706 in Boston, Massachusetts. I was born in the family of Joshua and Ambia, which I was the 15th child and the last son. My dad was a soap maker and my mom was a homemaker, and I went to Boston Latin School for 2 years. Then my dad took me out of school to help him with his work. I helped dip wax, and I helped cut the wicks, but I didn't care for it. Later on, I married Deborah Reed, which later we had a beautiful daughter named Sarah and two handsome sons named William and Francis. Deborah died in 1744. I later proposed to a lady named Madame, but she rejected me. Later in life, I developed a sense of inventing things. My first invention were bifocals. I had bad vision, and I got tired of taking one pair of glasses off and putting another pair on. So I decided to make a pair of glasses for distance and for reading. I cut a half of each lens and I put them in one single lens. Back then there was a big metal line to separate them, but now there are some with invisible lines so you can't see them. One of my huge inventions were electricity. One stormy night I went out with my son, William, with a kite and a key. I tied the key to the end of the string, plus I added a metal wire to the end of the key, and then put the metal wire into a jar. I used the jar so it would store up the electric charge. Sure enough, the experiment was successful. A lot of people doubted me. Some of my jobs were inventing, writer, a political leader, and a scientist. But my full-time job was an inventor. I later died on April 17, 1790 in Philadelphia. Over 20,000 people attended my funeral, but electricity still lights the world.